Mark II Golf Stories. Today is the first day of us taking a look at and working on Project Garage. So I'm going to be looking at the floor, giving it a sweep out, figuring out what we need to do before we can paint it and seal it and get any kind of flooring down. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, so I guess I'll have to start by emptying out all this stuff again. As I mentioned the other week, we just moved in, so when it's not being used for charging my day-to-day car, it's used for storing bits which need to go down to the tip, with the eventual plan for storing my Mark II Golf in here permanently and having a space to work on and maintain it in. I've got a few tiles here, set these out, wife's skateboard. There we go, that's pretty much cleaned out.
Whatever you put in there is going to come out.
Yeah.
This might even come out.
So how are you going to grind it?
Yeah, cut it straight, like that.
Oh, okay.
Let's get a grind on it and cut it in bits. I mean, look at that big lump there. Big. Put your tile on that. No one else on it.
Yeah.
No good.
Do what?
They're no good for that.
They're not popping apart, are they?
Yeah, but it depends where you get them on the... Oh, okay, whatever you say. Doctor, I didn't warn you. That's all I can say.
Do you think we should... Can you...
Look at that garage door.
Oh, I know.
Get rats in there. Sit right then. That's better. Don't you know, so you get some stuff to run down from the here to run down it. See that?
Yeah.
I'm chiselling that.
Yeah?
You even break the edge of that off there. Like
Could you flatten it down, though? Then you can fill it in, can't you?
What's
this on?
Right. Give me a little chisel there. I'll go underneath. Don't know. Water's washed it all the way, I think.
Water?
You haven't compacted tight enough underneath it. Water's washed it all the way.
Yeah. Victor, what do you think?
Funny that deep. Concrete. Should be that deep.
How deep is it? Oh dear.
Should be that deep.
Flaming out.
Don't go this.
Yeah, sure, we're doing.
Right, hit it like this. Get it in there so it's not too small a piece. So you've got a wider gap. Fix it slightly that way.
Yep.
And give it a sharp smack.
Try not to hit my hand when I do it.
Well, you don't want to do it, don't you?
That's a good skill to learn.
My thumb.
Is that thick enough?
Yeah.
Watery looking. It's meant to be. Hello, Monty. What do you think, Monty? Not impressed. You what?
Oh, that's stone from up there. Come in. Nice and runny.
Oh, nice.
There we go. Trouble is, if it's as I expect it to be, all underneath all this.
Just going to drain underneath.
It just goes straight. Well, it might help it actually. It might make it more solid underneath. Yeah. It does run through.
You're going to let this seep underneath it all first.
That's trial, isn't it? Yeah. A bit stone in there. Might as well.
Too much there, though.
Huh?
Too much there.
Yeah.
So we just carried on chipping away at the crack, making it bigger and straighter, filling with weak cement, and then filling it with a stronger cement.
It was all lower, so I just put a little bit on.
Okay. Much better.
Sort of tiles and tipping.
Okay, there we go. All done. So sort of skimming around here, had all these big cracks filled in. And this big crack down here has all been filled in. It's looking a lot better. So yeah, I need to let that dry for a couple of hours now. Once again, thanks to my dad as always for his support and help with this. I'd be a bit lost without him really. So yeah, need to let this dry, give it a sweeping, and then it'll be ready for a paint. So that's what we'll be doing in the next video, giving this a paint. If you found this useful or enjoyable, please drop us a like, click on subscribe, and yeah, follow us for more videos as I try and convert this garage into the dream I have in my head. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.